Good day viewers and welcome to my channel again. As you can hear the thunder roaring above me. Let me listen. You'll hear it just now. Listen. Wow, doesn't it sound beautiful? Well, last night, actually the past 24 hours, there has been a lot of rain falling and thunderstorms in KZN along the South Coast and flooding Margate and Uvongo Beach. So this video will show you some footage of that flooding, and unfortunately, just listen. Wow, I just love the sound of thunder. Well, anyway, this is what this video is all about. The thunderstorm from the past 24 hours along the south coast of KZN. Here you can see Margate without any flooding. The following videos will show Margate during the floods, and at the end of this video, the helicopter flight over Margate shows the aftermath of the devastation caused by these floods. Severe thunderstorms triggered flooding and caused damage to roads, homes and businesses in Margate. The road washed away between Uvongo and Margate. As can see in videos like this one, widely shared on various groups and the internet, showed water rushing down roads, and motorists could be seen trying to navigate flooded roads. These videos show clearly the power of nature, and we must remember to have respect and caution for it. This happened after Kona issued a warning on Saturday to residents to seek shelters in safe places. Public facilities such as community halls were open for those in need of shelter. Viewers, you must always remember to adhere to these warnings and stay safe, please. The devastation of the aftermath. I want to thank everyone for sharing their videos with us, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Nature greetings.